this is going to be a video, like a get ready with me video. So I'm about to go out with me and my homeboy Ronald, and we're going to shoot some content for YouTube and for Instagram and for TikTok. So if you're not following me on any of those platforms, go ahead and follow me. My Instagram handle is jtrendy_you know. Well, no, it ain't. It's jtrendyU_NO, and it's the same on TikTok. So you spell it JTRENDY, the letter U, the underscore, and NO. Now I'm gonna put it right here at the bottom. I'm gonna put it on this right here so y'all can see. So the outfit of the day. So I got this bad RB hat. Let me show y'all how to put the RB hat up, y'all. Look what I done did to it. So I cut it because this is an extra small. I bought this off of Poshmark, and I bought this shit for $100. You cannot beat that on Poshmark. That's makeup I just put on. I just tried it on, and makeup on my forehead, got it on there. But it's the extra small, and look how it fit on top of my head. It feel like it sit on top of my head, and I kind of wanted to sit down somewhere. So I just thought, shit, you couldn't beat $100 for an RB hat. These hats run like fucking $400 or $500. So I was gonna get this. So what I just thought to do is just to cut it down the middle part and the back of it, or whatever, to open it up so it could fit better on my head. It fit a little bit better, but I'm gonna make it work with the fit photo. So this one of the pieces for the hat right here. And let me show y'all the turn this camera on. Let me show y'all what else I got. Excuse the ring light. Let me show you the whole outfit, y'all. Make sure I'm looking right on. Let me show y'all the whole outfit. Okay. So I got this cute outfit off of Fashion Nova that I brought. Let me let y'all see it. So this is the outfit. It's on a hanger. Let me take it off of here. And excuse my room. I'm a little messy, love. But this the outfit. So it's this skirt, and I got a size. What size did I get in this? I got a size large. And that's the name of it. It's the Break Free Denim Skirt Set. But it came with this denim skirt, and I did take it to go get took it in because it was a little loose around the waist. So I got it took it in right here in the back part so it could fit my waist better. And then this is the jacket. This is the jacket that I got too. This the top. When I say that's T, that is T, baby. And this is another skirt that I bought off Fashion Nova too. I'll do a look with that later. I had to get that taken in also because it was too big. I got so many looks that I'm trying to bring out. And then I got the viral boots. The viral Macy boots, baby. The INC boots. I got these. So I'm gonna throw these on with it, and then I'm gonna toss that RB hat with it. And yeah, that's the look right there. And then as far as the bag, I'm gonna use this little, I don't got no tan bag or nothing like that. I don't really got no tan bag or nothing. So I'm just gonna use this little wristlet to go with my LV purse. And that's gonna be the look right there. That's what I'm gonna hold. That look cute. That's cute. Y'all gotta wait till I put it on and style it, baby. Y'all gonna be like, ooh, look. But I'm just gonna go. We're just gonna go and take some pictures and content with this outfit on. And I'm only gonna do that because the skirt is real small. And if I like weigh that out and about, the bottom of my cheeks is showing at the bottom of my booty. And I just feel like I won't be comfortable if I weigh that out and about. So I'm just gonna take pictures in that outfit. Because that's all I really want anyway, is to get content and take pictures in it. And if I go out somewhere else another time, then I'll find something else to put on. Yeah. So that's the look for the night. So I'm just waiting on Ronald to text me back and let me know that he on his way. Once he tell me he on his way, I'm going to go ahead and get dressed. I'm going to go ahead and lotion up with baby oil and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and put the outfit on so we could go out and take these photos. And I got this ring light. Not ring light, but if you know what I'm talking about. Whatever type of light this is, y'all know what it's called. What the fuck this is? This is a ring light. this the ring light too. But I got this, and I could not find my charger to this for the longest, y'all. Why did I find that charger today? It was meant for me to find that today. But yeah, so I'm just in here right now cooking me some boiled eggs because I'm about to make me some tuna. And that's my little tripod because I'm filming for TikTok for my little daily vlogs. But yeah, that's it for right now. So I'll call y'all back once I put my clothes on, once I get dressed and everything, and I'll give y'all like behind the scenes of how everything go and everything, all right? But y'all like my makeup? This is the makeup from the first video that I posted, which is the updated makeup tutorial, beginner friendly. So yeah, I think the makeup is eating love. Ooh, baby. Ew. Ooh. Let me stop. I'll see y'all back in a minute here. All right, y'all, so we are on the way to go meet Ronald so we can take these pictures. So this time I'm walking out the house like this with just the top on because it is cold out here. And yeah, I don't want to walk out with that little like skirt on, no boots and shit, just like that. So yeah, so get in my car. Thank the Lord for push to start, Lord. Y'all, look how cold it is out here. It's 41 degrees. Look, lights and shit on. I only got 33 miles of gas. And I'm not stopping because I don't feel like it. So, I'll pick y'all back up later. And if I gotta start to get gas, then so be it. Damn. But where I'm going at ain't far, so we'll see. Y'all, let me let y'all see my makeup in the light in the car. What y'all think? Cute. All right, see y'all in a minute. So y'all, I'm gonna stop to get gas because I can't chance it like that. This Atlanta, and I ain't about to be on the side of the road in this fucking cold air like that without no fucking gas. So let me just put a couple of dollars on here real quick. I mean, titties is out of stuff. This is a lot.
Oh, you pretty.
Thank you. Girl. Thank you.
Hey, face beats to the bar.
Thank you, girl.
Yeah, let me get that. Yeah, that's it. Okay. She came in here beat y'all. She look cute. Okay, shit.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh. You ready?
Alright, can I get...
Will you push your Grwm?
Oh, okay. Can I get 20 on 8, please, sir?
How much?
20 on 8. Yes, sir. Thank you. Right, y'all. Out the door. La, 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 la. So I'm about to pump this gas. I left my keys and shit in the car, but I didn't. Y'all, it feels, oh shit, it feels weird with this, holding this camera. I'm on YouTube, baby, I am a YouTuber. What you want me to do? Baby, I am tubing. Yeah. Alright, y'all, while this gas pump, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to the place. Actually, when I'm about to take these pictures, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get on. Bye. What's up, YouTube? So we're here. I done secured the goods. Say hey, goods.
Hey, goods.
I say hey, goods. You the goods. So you supposed to just say hey.
Hey, y'all.
So this is Ronald, y'all. This is my BFF. And he's going to be taking my pictures. And we're right here. I don't even know what this area is downtown. This ain't even downtown. This is midtown, right?
Listen, turn.
Okay.
We is in the Buckhead Village, y'all.
Okay.
That's what it's called. The Buckhead Shops. The Buckhead Village Shops.
Everybody get some content.
I don't know what road this is called, but we here.
Yeah. Oh, look. It just say Buckhead Village right there. I don't read. Okay, so let me put on my skirt and my boots and get situated, and we're gonna go take some pictures over there by Christian Louboutin and Dior, and I'll be back. I'm gonna set the camera so they can see a little bit of behind the scenes, but y'all gonna see everything. Y'all gonna have to see the final product on my Instagram. So go follow it now.
Tune in, bitches, yeah.
Tell me your Instagram.
My Instagram is yum.rj. If you want to go follow me,
Yum, RJ.
Yum, very yummy, baby.
Can you video a little bit? Let me got turn around. What do I like?
Hold on. Mm-hmm.
See my robe? My booty look all the way out.
No.
Look at that fucking head.
It's on my fucking call, JT.
This is my YouTube. Y'all see the look a little bit. How does the hat look on the head?
It's good.
Does the hat look funny?
No, it looks straight. Or you want to put it to the side? It'd be cute to the side.
What you mean?
The hat.
This ain't no hat.
I mean, I'm shivering like a motherfucker.
Okay, let's just
Ooh.
look you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now take that. You can stop
Let's
that.
see what the Dior in the back and
That's just. All right, YouTube. It was too cold to be setting up cameras and shit out there. Rhonda was freezing, shivering.
But let me tell you one thing though.
He ate them pictures up.
Down.
He ate them out.
And when I come out with my motherfucking photography line, y'all better tap in.
Tap in. Tap in with young RJ.
Young RJ with the
All right.
photos.
And so if y'all want to see those pictures, y'all gotta go to my Instagram.
Yeah,
and check
what's
them
your
out.
Instagram? JT.
J Trendy, you know. I'm gonna put it on this video.
She said, you know, yeah, bitch, you
Yeah.
better know.
Yeah.
And if you don't know, you're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bloop.
So.